kũnyitana na wĩkinaĩ na wĩici wa mahiũ matũũra-inĩ ma Rift Valley ta Kerio Valley. Thirikari kũhĩtũkĩra rũhonge rwa kũhũrana na ũtoi nĩ yanjĩrĩirie gũthomithia mbeũ njĩthĩ arĩa matigana na wĩici wa mahiũ na gũcenjia mĩthiĩre. Ikinya rĩu nĩ rĩa gũteithia anake acio mahote kwĩrũgamĩra mũtũũrĩre-inĩ matakwĩhoka wĩici wa mahiũ, kũrĩa anake 16 arĩa matigĩte wĩkinaĩ mahetwo mathomo makĩria megiĩ ũrĩa mangĩhĩmbĩria ũrĩmi. Kenneth Mushau, mũrũgamĩrĩri wa rũhonge rũrũ, orĩtie mbeũ njĩthĩ kuma gĩtarũ kĩu megiũmĩrie nĩguo magunĩke na mathomo macio.
Some of these youths are actually reformed bandits, and they have done such a very good job in their training. And this one, it was in good partnership between the EU and Kenya government, as well as the partnership with the AIC Church, who have come up strongly to work together with us in the spirit of whole of society approach, which is very critical in the area of rehabilitation and reintegration back to society. We expect them to stand up as good examples of good citizens, good and productive citizenry, and more importantly, to act as our ambassadors for peace as we work towards national and regional stability.
Njia ya hiyo wizi inatokana na watu kutegemea tu ukulima moja ya mfuko. Hasa tukienda ukulima ya kupanda mahindi, tuenda ukulima ya avocado, kuenda ukulima ya maembe, hapo tuta-improve diversification ya ukulima, ndio akili zetu isitegemee njia moja tu ya kupata mapato.
Nimeona disadvantage kwa hii mambo na banditry, because imeaffect familia mingi, vijana wanakosa kazi. Inaomba serikali wasaidie vijana kwa employment. Sisi kama vijana wengine tumesoma lakini hatuna makazi. So hiyo njia moja ama ingine kwa kusaidia vijana wakuwe pamoja, waandike kazi, na vile wameandika kazi vijana wengi watasahau hiyo mambo na banditry na watajifanyia makazi.
Atongoria a rũrĩrĩ rwa Turkana arĩa maikaraga kaunti-inĩ ya Isiolo